Hey everyone, this is Stuart with 3 Dogs in an RV. And has this ever happened to you? Hey everyone, Stuart back with 3 Dogs in an RV, and we're back with another tip for RVers, either part-time or full-time. So let me ask you this question. Has this ever happened to you? You pull into your campsite, you get everything set up, you put your sewer systems out, you get your hoses all plugged in, and you go to empty your tanks and this happens. Gray water or black water is spewing all over the place. Let's say you have a poo explosion. So how do you stop the poo explosions? We all know that a lot of park fittings for the sewer systems don't 100% fit properly. You put your hose in and it's loose and it doesn't properly screw in. A lot of people say, hey, put a brick over top of it, or put some spongy cords around it. Get something on top of it to hold that sewer fitting in, that hose going in to the sewer pipe in the ground much better. So we found a great little device, apparatus, from a company called thesewerbag.com. I do with the website, it's thesewerbag.com. Anyway, it's a US military veteran who started this great company, and I want to show you the product right here. All right, folks, the cool thing about this sewer bag, the website actually is on the bag, thesewerbag.com right there. So the cool thing about this, since we own an Entegra coach, they also brand your little sewer bag with the emblem of the coach you have. So you can get one with Thor or Tiffin, or we got ours with Entegra. Adds a little bit of extra, looks like it came with it. That's pretty cool. So let's go demonstrate how this works. So how does the poo, I was gonna call it the poo bag, but the sewer saddle bag work? Remember, the website is thesewersaddlebag.com. I don't think I got that right in other clips. Thesewersaddlebag.com. I'll link to the description below as well. I don't get paid by these guys. I saw it on another RV channel, and so that's pretty cool, so I bought one. Made in the USA. So you're supporting, I think it's, yeah, I do believe the owner is a US veteran as well. So that's pretty cool. Let's show you how this works. Try to do this with one hand. I got my, you're gonna fill it up with gravel. If you look at the bag, it does have a Velcro top on it, a place for you to put the dirt or gravel or stones or something. So let's see if I can do this with one hand and not screw it all up. All right, so you put some dirt into the saddle bag, or the sewer saddle bag here. Fill both sides up with dirt, just like so. Take your little shovel, fill your shovel up with dirt, drop it into the sewer saddle bag. All right, there you have it, folks. Both sides of our sewer saddle bag is full, and let's go place it on top of our hose and show how it works. And there you have it, just simple as that. It just sits over top of your, whatever you call the end of your hose that goes into the ground, and sits right on top like that. So when you come in to empty your tanks, depending on how you do it, we just hit some buttons, and simple as that. There she goes. That replaces the old brick trick. We had concrete slab or paver slab there. You just throw that into your belly when you're done ready to move. And there you have it. You always have something to your sewer system together so you don't have any poo explosions. So there you have it, folks. There's one way to stop a poo explosion from impacting you or anything around your campsite or making you embarrassed around all your other camping friends. This is Stuart with 3 Dogs in an RV. I hope you find this tip useful. Remember, thesewersaddlebag.com. Check it out and support a fellow ex-military member. I was ex-Canadian military, but support any ex-military people if you can. And this is a great product. 25 bucks. It looks pretty slick, and you'll have something that you can carry around with you. So if you're looking for something to stop the dreaded old poo explosion, there you have it. Again, this is Stuart with 3 Dogs in an RV. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff, and we'll see you in a future video.